level detectors for hard to handle fluids in atmospheric tanks. Differential pressure level detectors part 3. Hard to handle fluids in atmospheric tanks. Level measurement is more difficult when the process fluid is highly viscous, is likely to freeze, contains solids that can settle out or can gel or polymerize in dead-ended cavities. Figure in next slide shows 5 installations that may be considered for these conditions. These 5 installations shall be discussed in subsequent slides. Sensing of hard to handle liquid level in atmospheric tanks by differential pressure instruments. This is the installation number 1. This is the installation number 2. This is the third installation. This is the fourth one. And this is the fifth installation for the purpose discussed above. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. Installation number 1. On tank installation number 1, an extended diaphragm type transmitter is shown. The diaphragm motion is limited to a few thousandths of an inch and the nozzle cavity is completely filled by the diaphragm extension. This is the physical extended diaphragm type transmitter and this is the symbol for the same. The extended diaphragm transmitter is a good candidate for level measurement of hard to handle liquids, provided that the tank can be drained when the transmitter needs service. The tank installation number 2 is provided with a flat diaphragm transmitter mounted on a pad. The nozzle cavity is reduced but not eliminated. This is the physical flush mount diaphragm seal differential pressure cell and this is the symbol for the same. Tank installation 3 is furnished with liquid filled chemical seals such as the one shown in figure in next slide. This unit will perform as well as the extended diaphragm differential pressure cell, but because of the liquid filled capillary system, it is subject to errors caused by temperature variations. This is the differential pressure cell with extended chemical seal element and remote capillary tube connection, and this is the symbol for the same. Installation number 4. A wafer type liquid filled element such as the one illustrated in figure in next slide is shown on tank installation number 4. This sensing method combines the disadvantages of installation type 2 and 3. The dead-ended cavity is not eliminated and it is subject to temperature errors. However, it can be used on extremely hot processes. This is the physical differential pressure cell wafer, that is pancake type element, to be installed between a blind flange and process flange, and this is the symbol for the same. On tank installation number 5, the element is the same extended chemical seal as on tank installation type 3, but the readout is a local pressure gauge. Heat tracing. In some applications, heat tracing may be used around the differential pressure cell process connection if heat may prevent the process liquid in contact with diaphragm to be frozen, polymerized, or clog around the sensing element tap if it is justifiable economically. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe.